Looking for a graduate course to study further in? The competitive GRE will get you one step closer. Maxxcell Overseas Education Services presents everything you need to know about GRE. Now let's look at a few important aspects covering the GRE. The GRE is accepted at a number of graduate and business schools across the globe. Owned by the ETS, it's known for its validity of 5 years. The exam duration is a little under 4 hours, for which your passport is a must. Now let's take a look at what prospects the GRE has to offer. 1. Study a master's degree. 2. A specialized master's course with maybe research or special focus on an area. 3. MBA, business or even a PhD degree is what you need the GRE for. Moving on, we shall take a look to consider what the ideal time frame is if you have GRE as one of your requisites for your course admission. The August and September intake at universities is fondly known as the fall intake. This is when your course ideally starts. A good time to answer the GRE is latest by October of the previous year. Whereas the Feb and March intake is referred to as the spring intake. It would be good to have your GRE score in hand by July of the previous year. Remember, this competitive exam needs focus and about an intensive 2 to 3 months of study. Also, don't forget to look into your university deadlines as these vary across universities. Pause as you understand the admission procedure for spring intake. Whereas, if you're looking for the fall intake, this is your procedure. This is what your exam pattern looks like. Covering 3 areas with 2 sections under each, you have a 10-minute break after your 3rd section. To work at your analytical and reasoning skills, the GRE includes a section called AWA, where the test taker types out a professional, well-analyzed argument on an assigned topic. The second includes a personal essay. Here's an example of an AWA. Pause as you read and understand it. Here's an example of an issue essay question. You are timed at 30 minutes per task. The word processor used for your argument and issue tasks is similar to that of Notepad. Keep a close eye out for your spellings. Moving on to the verbal reasoning section, inclusive of reading comprehension, with about 3 to 5 related questions, text completion and sentence equivalence. Your range of vocabulary needs to be vast as the GRE covers a large portion of vocabulary. Maxxcell has this set for you. With over 700 of the most frequently asked words to prepare with, you'll be a walking dictionary. Here are 2 examples of a sentence equivalence based question. Your task is to choose 2 words holding the same meaning. Moving on, let's consider examples under the text completion section. Your task is to choose anywhere between 1 to 3 words of similar meaning. Let's take a quick look at the quantitative section. Practicing on questions in arithmetic, algebra and geometry will make you a whiz at math. Here are a few examples to help you understand the math section. Continuing with a detailed approach to the GRE scoring pattern. AWA is out of 6 with half-point increments and graded separately by a human grader as well as an e-grader. The quantitative and verbal sections are out of 170 each. Maxxcell is your one-stop solution for all your GRE needs. Come study with us. Here's where we come in. We provide you with 6 books covering the sections of quantitative and verbal reasoning, in addition to another set of score booster books. As the name suggests, they boost your score. Not forgetting our books of easy study vocabulary with special focus on word roots and over 5,000 of the most frequently asked words. We also introduce you to our world of videos on complex concepts of GRE. Moreover, our countless timed section-based tests, practice tests and mock exams will give you a true feel of answering the GRE. We are based in Panjim and Margao. Come learn with Maxxcell.